How difficult is it to find a supplier that delivers on time and consistently delivers quality? Here, it's not just a promise, it's a daily standard. Founded in 2012, Dow has grown into a trusted manufacturer in the rubber band industry. From our headquarters in China to partners in over 20 countries around the world, we provide world-class products and reliable services to businesses worldwide. From raw material inspection to automated production lines, we conduct strict quality control at every stage to ensure that every product meets quality standards. As long as you need, we are always ready to take small and large orders. From production to packaging, we take care of every detail. Our 400-ton intelligent warehousing system provides you with a stable supply guarantee. The high-quality rubber bands we produce have long service life. Good resilience, are not easy to deform or break, and are resistant to aging, corrosion, high temperature, and low temperature. We have 10 independent, innovative, patented technologies, and our products have passed SGS, ROHS certification, and German Rhine TÜV certification. Your next reliable supplier. Looking forward to starting a new journey with you.